Hi, and welcome to CodeHS. Today we're going to learn about AI Creator. The AI Creator app on CodeHS allows teachers to use AI to develop and assign activities in different programming languages. It provides tools for creating new assignments that align with state standards and also different course lessons. AI Creator has 5 tools and they can all be accessed at the top of the page. Create, create from standard, create from lesson, and then we can review all the activities and also change some of the settings. The Create tool makes it really simple to create a set of notes or even a new quiz. You can create a practice problem, an example, or even a Parsons problem. You can do this by asking AI in the chat bubble that you see in the bottom right of the screen. We'll take a look later at what this looks like. You also can create an activity from a standard. This standard can be state-specific or a course standard, such as an AP Computer Science A or CompTIA A+. Lastly, you can create an activity from a lesson. So this allows you to create additional assignments from content within specific CodeHS lessons. In the Activities tool, you can have an overview of all your AI creations, including the activity type, its programming language, their creation date, and a feature to edit the activity. In the Settings tool, you can check the AI Creator to default towards creating assignments in a specific programming language for one or even more grade levels. Once an activity is created, you can assign it to either a specific course or a specific section. You can even get a preview of the activity by clicking the blue Redirect button in the top right corner. Let's take a look.